This video explains how to transpose a data frame and set the first column as a header in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create an example data frame, as you can see in lines 2 to 5 of the code. So after running these lines of code, a new data set called data is appearing at the top right, and we can print this data set to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 6 of the code. And then you can see that our data frame contains 4 rows and 4 columns, which are called head, row 1, row 2 and row 3. Now let's assume that we want to transpose the values in the columns row 1 to row 3, and that we want to use the head column as the head of our transposed data frame. Then we can apply the code that you can see in line 8. So in this line of code, I'm transposing the data frame minus the first column. So I'm subsetting our data frame so that the first column head is removed. And then I'm using the first column in another subset as the column names using the setNames function. And then I'm storing the output of this in a new data set that I'm calling data.t. So if you run line 8 of the code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data frame called data.t is appearing, and we can print this data frame to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 9 of the code. And then you can see that our new data set contains the columns row 1 to row 3 as transposed version, and the first column, the head column, has been used as the new head of our new transposed data frame. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.